Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. Today we are going to learn about the functions in the TypeScript. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Functions. Functions are of two types: named functions and anonymous functions. Named functions are the functions that are declared with name. So here you can see that the declaration, right? So this is basically a named function. Let me add into our code so you will get to know about that one. So here you can see that this is named functions, right? The next one, that is called the anonymous functions that are declared without name. So this is anonymous functions. Okay, got it? So which is declared without a name. So const, and the function accepts the variable number. Second one is number, and the overall should be a number, right? Returning. Okay, so this is our name and anonymous functions. Okay, the next function which I'm talking about, that is called the callback functions. Okay, so callback is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and executed by the function when the certain event or a condition is met. Suppose, let's take an example. There is a function or certain things I want to do, and I want to like manipulate the data on that callback. So what, how I will do that? Okay, so there is a callback function. So I will show you what exactly it is. So this is a function callback, right? This is the way that something callback. Okay, and whether you want to return a type or not depends upon to you. So here doesn't return any type, so whatever conditions over here, and then return that callback. Okay, so this is how the callback works, and when the callback should be used, that is the question. So callbacks are commonly used in asynchronous programming, such as when making API request or handling user input in a web application. So I have an example on that one. Let's look on that. Okay, so we will clear on that note, right? So here we go with the example. So here, this is my function, right? So which accepts the number. Callback, that should be an user info, that should be object. Void doesn't have the return value, and the callback user info I have to return, okay, in the callback function with the user info, right? So here I am calling the get user. Here I am passing the ID. This is my callback function, right? So this is another function. Okay, so here I want to manipulate the data of that user info, right? So here I'm going to console.log the user info. So here I'm making an argument or making result, right? Result, and let me console that result. I have already simplified that version. Let me see that. So this is console.log user info. Okay, so here we have going to result. So I'm going to stringify this one, and let's have a look what the result is. Okay, so here we go the terminal, and here you can see that the user info id 123, or I can directly without the stringify I can return that one. Okay, so here we go with this one. Okay, so I can also console.log this one. Console.log what exactly the value is. Okay, so if you want to add such kind of things in the TypeScript, you can use the callback. You can see ID this, and another is user info this. Okay, so now I can update the name. Now I can update the email. Okay, whatever the value returning from the function, but it's not returning because we have already defined the return type is void. So it doesn't return anything, but we are using the callback. So whatever the process is done to this function, we can use that one and manipulate the data into our own way, right? That is the use of the callback functions, right? So one process is done. After this one I want to hit another API. After this I want to hit another API. So you can use like this, right? Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.